Hi friends, my name is Ratan. In this video we'll discuss about the Python. The Python, one small entry question here. One other student is asked the question. So in Python, to write some point, let me open Edit Plus. Edit Plus, go to the file menu, click on new. So here we have the Java, Parallel, C, CVP, HTML, right? But you want Python, right? Go to the others. In others we have the Python. Select the Python, click on OK. So in Python we have the class based programming, right? Class name, test class. The Python contains two different methods here. One is the instance method. Okay, instance method. So instance method means you have to pass self, right? Good. You can write the pass keyword. And static method here, def m2 method. We are not passing any self here. This method is called which method? Static method. And if you want to represent this method is a static method, we can go with the static method qualifier, right? Static method qualifier, right? That's it. Wait, the class contains how many methods here? Two methods. One is an instance, one is a static. One is what? Static, right? That's the instance method means we have to pass a self keyword. Static means self keyword required or not required? Not required. Self is required or not required? Not required, right? That's all. The next one here, let me write some message, otherwise print off. Simply can write the message is called good morning message. So same print here. Okay, simply can write the print off. So good evening. Otherwise this is my static method, right? That's all. Then how to call the instance method here? Call the instance method by using object, right? T equal to test of. This is object creation, right? So no, this is object creation. Then how to call it? Just you can call the t dot m1 method, right? Wait, t dot m1 method or not? This is simply which method? So instance method, right? That's all. So how to call a static method here? By using test dot, we have to call the m2 method, right? That's all. Let me save this application, Control S, in local disk E. The file is called first.py. First.py, right? Just open the command prompt. Where is our location here? Local disk E. Then how to run this code? Python. The file is called first.py. Just you will get the instance method and what? Static method. The difference is clear. Instance method means self keyword. Static method means self is required or not required? Not required. If you want to represent your method is a static method, @static method qualifier required. Very clear? This is the instance versus what? Static. The entry question is not Java. This is a Python, right? Just to go to the file menu, new, others. In others you have the Python. Just paste the code here. The question is how to call the instance method here. Generally to call the instance methods you required tell me to call how to call instance method, required the object, right? Then how to call the instance method by class name. The question is what? How to call instance method? How to call instance method by using what? Class name, right? That's all. The question is how to call the instance method by using class name. Instance means always see how to call by using object. Then we have the option how to call instance method by using class name. Clear, right? That's all. Tell me what is the answer? You know answer? This is instance method, right? That's all. So I have the another class demo class. The demo class I have the def some disk method is there. To represent this method belongs to class self keyword. Self keyword, right? That's it. Inside the disk I want to call this m1 method. Then m1 is which method? Instance method, right? How to call instance method? Create the object. How to create the object here? T equal to test of, right? So no, t equal to what? Test of or not? Then what we have to do? We have to call the t dot m1. T dot m1, right? That's it. Then here see in the demo class I want to call the test class method. Then create the object of test class, call the t dot m1, right? That's all. Then I want to call the disk method here. Disk method means which object required? Demo object required. So demo, okay, demo of d dot which method here? Disk, d dot which method here? Disk, right? That's all. Now this is general approach, right? Instance method executed. But what is my requirement here? This is calling instance by using object, right? Calling which method? Instance method by using what? Object or not? Next one is what? Next one is what? Calling instance method by using class name. how to call means test dot, I want to call which method here, m1, right? Test.m1 while calling the instance method by using class name, here you have to pass self keyword. You have to pass which keyword? Self, right? That's it. Simply can run this code. 2 times data is printed, right? So if you remove this code, you'll get error message. So here you have to pass which keyword here? Self, right? That's it. Calling instance method by using class name by passing the self keyword. By passing which keyword here? Self, right? That's it. Wait, clear now? Good. This is valid only when we call the data class by class data. This one is valid only the class based programming. So no, the example is valid. This is valid only in which programming here? So valid only in class based program. Class based program, right? Good. But some of the students will do like this, right? What that person will do? Ratan sir, I have some different method, this method. Otherwise, directly I have to call. What the call here? Test dot, which method here? M1 method by passing self, right? By passing what? Self. But this is invalid again. You will get error message. So directly is valid. So this one is valid only in the class based programming. This one is a case one, you can make it. This is invalid, right? Directly also invalid, and case 2 also invalid. Case 2 also invalid. So what is the case 2? So I will do here, I will take the directly def disp. Here I am calling what? Test.m1 by passing which keyword? Self. By passing self, right? Here call the disp. Here also valid or invalid? Here also invalid. In these cases mandatory, this is invalid, right? Here how to call the data? By creation of object only. What is the object? T equal test of, we have to call the t dot m1, right? Now this is okay, no issue. Wait, clear? That's all guys. A small observation, right? Case 2 also observation. Wait, point is clear? That's all here. So we can call the static method, you can call the instance method by using class name. Okay, you can call the instance method by using class name also, no issues. Only within the class based programming. But directly allowed or not allowed here? Directly test.m1 of self allowed or not allowed? Not allowed. And inside the method also directly allowed or not allowed? Not allowed. Inside the function directly allowed or not allowed? Not allowed. Okay, clear? So that's all guys. So once you have the question, you have to discuss clearly. Total how many methods in class? Total 2 methods. Instance and static method. How to call instance by using object, how to call the static by using class name. Then how to call the instance method by using class name. This is the approach. That is valid only in the class based programming. Directly possible or not possible? Not possible. Inside the method also directly possible or not possible? Not possible, right? That's it. That's all guys. Thanks for watching, and like the video and comment the video, and subscribe to our channel to get the more updates. Thank you guys. Bye.